to you. No, I'm not more. Say it the truth. You took my love just for a thrill. I said tonight. Yeah. Hello. Look. And then this.
Yeah.
And then what do you like? What do you like? Do you like ice cream? Do you like ice cream? Look, look, honey. I will give you ice cream. That's the ice cream for you. Do you like chocolate? Do you like a chocolate? This is a chocolate for you. Do you like juice? Do you like a juice? How about this one? Dang, da, da, da. That's a juice for you. Hi, Ben. How are you today, Ben? Ben, how are you today? Are you happy today? Are you happy? Are you happy today, Ben? Happy? Yes? Yes, you say, I am happy today. Can you say that? I am happy today. Can you say that one? I am. I am.
I am
Happy today. Very good. Yay. Teacher's going to give you a hot dog. Ben? Ben? Where are you now? Where are you now? Oh, teacher's going to give you a hot dog now. That's a hot dog. Nom 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 nom. It's your hot dog. Nom 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 nom. Okay, Ben, are you ready for the class, Ben? Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, I am. Can you say, yes, I am? Can you say that?
Yes. I am.
Very good. Okay, now teacher's going to share the screen. So we are now going to have our lesson. Dun, da, da, da. This is our lesson. Okay, can you see teacher's screen now? Can you see? Okay, Ben. Okay, let's have a review, honey. Let's have a review. Hold on. Let's have a review, honey, and let's see if you still remember everything from last time.
Chúng ta cùng ôn lại xem bạn còn nhớ không nhé.
Okay. All right, Ben. Ben, what is this?
Beer.
Bear.
Beer.
Do you like it? Do you like it? Yes or no?
Empty.
Huh? Do you like it?
Bread, 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 bread. Bread, 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 bread. Bread,
Bạn có thích nó không?
bread, bread.
Bạn có thích nó không?
Yes.
Do you like it? You
No,
like
no,
the
no,
bear.
no.
Oh, you don't like the bear. You say, I don't like the bear.
I don't like the bear.
Very good. I don't like the bear. Okay. Let's watch a bear, honey. Let's see what a bear is. Ben, come back. Let's watch a video. Whoa, that's a bear. Wow. Ah, that's a bear?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, that one is a bear. Very good. Okay, now how about this?
Bear.
What is that?
Honey. Bear, honey. Bear, honey. Bear, honey.
What is that animal?
Crocodile.
Very good.
Crocodile. Crocodile.
Crocodile. Can you say crocodile? Can you say that?
Crocodile.
Very good. Again, one more time.
Crocodile.
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 Crocodile. Crocodile. Crocodile. Crocodile.
Crocodile. Crocodile. Crocodile. Crocodile.
Honey, you say crocodile.
Crocodile.
You say crocodile for 3 times. Crocodile, crocodile, crocodile. Crocodile. It is a crocodile. Me, say it is a crocodile. Ben, it is a crocodile.
It is a crocodile.
Very good. That one is a crocodile. Honey, not dial. Crocodile. Crocodile.
Yes. Crocodile.
Okay. Let's watch a video of a crocodile.
Elephant. Elephant.
That one is an elephant. Let's watch a video of a crocodile. Look!
Closed, you can see the teeth of a
What
crocodile.
is that? What is that?
Brr patapim, brr patapim, trallallero trallalla, tung 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 sahur.
Okay, what is this one, honey? What is this animal? This is a crocodile. Can you say crocodile? Can you say that?
Crocodile.
Crocodilo. Crocodilo. No, it's a crocodile. Okay. What is this? That one is an elephant. Okay, that one, honey, is an elephant. You say elephant for 3 times. Elephant, elephant, elephant. Honey, say, Ben, where are you now? Okay. You say elephant for 3 times, man. Elephant, elephant, elephant. Can you say that? Elephant, elephant, elephant. Please say that. Ben. Ben? Okay. All right, you say elephant for 3 times. Elephant, elephant, elephant.
Elephant, elephant, elephant.
Very good. Okay,
Elephant.
you say I can see an elephant. Can you say that?
See elephant.
Very good. Great job.
Elephant.
Okay.
Elephant.
Yes.
Elephant. Yes.
Do you like it?
Bạn có thích nó không?
Yes. 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 Huh.
You say yes. I like it.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
No.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Do you like it or
Yes.
no?
Yes.
Okay. All right. All right, honey, let's have the next. Okay, teacher's going to share to you a video.
Easy. Oh no.
Video.
Super simple songs.
Where will you?
One little elephant, look
What?
at me.
Glass? This
Big ears, little eyes,
elephant,
and
no.
very long trunk. One
elephant.
That's an elephant. Okay.
Elephant.
Yes, how about this? What is this?
Elephant.
Do you know this animal?
Eat. Oh no, I don't.
You don't
No,
know.
I
You say, I don't know,
Um,
teacher. Can you say,
I
I
don't know, teacher.
very good. Okay.
Hippo.
Honey, this one is
Yeah.
hippo.
No,
Honey,
people.
hippo.
I guess.
Yes,
Yes,
hippo.
I do.
Honey,
No, I don't.
hippo. Hippo.
People.
Ho.
People.
Ho.
Oh,
Hippo. He. Where are the hello? Open your camera, my dear Ben. Okay. Honey, this is what a hippo looks like. Oh, Ben. Ben, where are you? Turn on.
Hippopotamuses.
Yes, here.
Hello there, everybody.
This is
Today,
a
we are going to learn
hippo.
all about hippopotamuses. If you want to read along with us, head over to learnbright.org to download
What is
this
a
lesson.
hippo, honey? Can
What
you say
is a hippopotamus?
hippo?
Hippopotamuses, hippos for short, are big, round animals with short legs and huge mouths. They have thick, tough skin that helps protect them from the sun and other animals. Their skin can look pink or gray, and they spend lots of time in the water to keep cool. Hippos also have big, sharp teeth that they use to munch on plants. Hippos weigh up to 3,000 pounds, the same weight as a small car. And even though
Yes, honey, that one is a hippo. Hippo. Okay?
oh,
Yes. Hippo, hippo, hippo. Can you say that? Hippo, hippo, hippo.
people.
Very good. That one, honey, is a hippo. Okay. About this. Honey, How about this one?
Elephant. Elephant.
Oh, it's not an elephant. This is not an elephant. This one is
Teddy bear. Teddy bear.
Honey,
Teddy bear. Teddy
listen.
bear.
honey,
Camel.
camel,
It's a
camel,
cow.
camel. Honey,
Camel.
you say
Camel.
camel, camel,
Camel.
camel. Yes, okay? That one is a camel, my dear. You say, I can see a camel. Honey, honey, he can see a camel. Huh? All right. You say, I can, honey, I can see a camel. Can you say that? A camel. Camel. Very good. That's a camel, honey. I can see a camel. Can you say that?
No.
Honey, I can see a camel.
It's a camel.
Very good. That is it. Okay, let's watch a video of a camel. Let us watch a video of a camel. Okay, let me share to you a video of a camel.
Camels. Hello there, animal lovers. Today, we are going to learn about camels.
Camel.
If you want to follow along with us, you can download this lesson, Camel. Have you ever wondered how camels survive in the scorching
Look,
desert?
It is so big.
Well, they can survive because of some unique traits. Camels have long legs that help them walk across the desert sand easily. Their bodies store fat in humps, which they use as a source of energy when food and
yeah. Do you like it, Ben? Do you like it, Ben?
No.
Bạn có thích nó không?
Camel.
Bạn có thích nó không?
Ben?
Bạn có thích nó không?
Yes?
Yes.
Yes? You say, yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
I like camels. I like camels. Honey, I like a camel. Can you say that? Can you say that? I like a camel. Can you say it, Ben? I like a camel.
I like camel.
Very good. That is it. Okay. Now let's move forward to the next one. Okay, here. Ooh, what is this? What is this? What is this, Ben? Ben?
No.
Do you know this animal, honey? Ben. Ben, Ben, Ben. Ben, 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 Ben. Okay, what is that? Tien. What is this? Tien. Viet? Tien Viet? Okay, honey, this one is
Giraffe.
giraffe. Can you say giraffe? Giraffe. Can you say it? Giraffe. Very good. Okay, you say, I can see a giraffe. Honey, I can see a giraffe. Again, I can see a giraffe. Honey, I can see a giraffe. Can you say that? Honey. Honey, I can see a giraffe.
Giraffe. I'm a giraffe.
I can. Can you say that?
I can
See a giraffe. See a giraffe.
see a giraffe.
Very good. Okay. Now let's move forward to the next one. Okay, let's have the structure now. Okay. You say, okay, honey, you say, honey, I like elephants. Can you say, I like elephants? Ben, I like elephants. Can you say that?
Elephant.
Very good. That is it. I like elephants. You say,
No.
okay, just follow, honey. How about this? I don't like crocodiles. I don't like crocodiles. Honey, okay, teacher's going to ask you. All right, here. My dear, what animal do you like?
Em yêu, em thích con vật nào?
Crocodile. You say, I like a crocodile.
Crocodile.
Very good. Okay. All right. Okay. Now, honey, what animal don't you like? Honey, what animal don't you like?
Bạn không thích con vật nào?
Elephant.
You say, I don't like an elephant.
I don't like an elephant.
Very good. Okay. That is it, honey. Now let's move forward to the next one. Honey. Okay. You look, read, and number. Okay? You have to look, read, and number. Okay? Here. Okay. You look, and I say the word, and you put the number in the circle.
Bạn nhìn và tôi nói từ đó, rồi bạn điền số vào vòng tròn.
Okay, honey. We have the bear. Where is the bear? Is it 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Where is the bear?
2.
Yay! Very good. It's 2. Great job, honey. How about the crocodile? Where is the crocodile? Where is the crocodile? It's number... Yeah! Yes, that is correct then. Okay, next. How about the elephant? Where is the elephant?
Oh no.
Where is the elephant? Elephant. Okay, let's see. Very good. good. Okay, how about the giraffe? Where is the giraffe? You put the giraffe here.
Giraffe.
Giraffe.
Giraffe. Oh, giraffe. What giraffe? What giraffe? Giraffe. Giraffe. Number 3. 3 and giraffe.
Okay. Yes. Very good. Let's see. Yes, very good. And where is the hippo? Hippo. Where is the hippo?
Hippo 1.
Yes. Very good. Great job, my dear. That's all correct. Okay, now, how about this? Can you fill in the missing letters? Please fill in the missing letters in the blank.
Cái còn thiếu vào chỗ trống.
Okay.
Okay.
Pip.
How about the bear, honey?
Okay.
Let's have the bear.
No.
How about the bear? Yay! Ha! What is that? Oh, it should be A and R, bear. How about the giraffe? How about the giraffe? Let's take a look at the giraffe. Oh, giraffe. Huh? Ah. Is that how you spell giraffe? It's this. It's F and E, giraffe. Okay, how about the crocodile? You said you like the crocodile. How do you spell the crocodile? Crocodile. See? Oh no! Okay, how about the elephant? Can you try the elephant? Let's have the elephant. Whoa! Wow! Wow, wow, wow! What letter is this? Yay! You're almost there. Very good. Great. Very good, honey. That's correct. Yes, 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 yes. Yay. Very good. Okay, next one. How about the hippo? Hippo. Whoa, whoa, wow. No. Try. Yes. You're almost there. You're correct with this and this. It's just this one. Very good. Almost there. Okay, next. How about the camel? Camel. Try to write the camel. Camel. Yes. Here, that's the camel, honey. Anyway, my dear friend, the time is already over. You did so great today. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.